Hey everyone, this is Victor from Welcome Friends Adult Medical Day Center, and today I want to go over what an adult daycare is and is it a good option for you. All right, so an adult daycare service provides a lot of benefit to older, senior, and elderly adults, as well as their caregivers and family members. A lot of times these people are they can't take care of themselves. They're at home by themselves when the caregiver goes to work, and the caregiver worries about them while they're at work, or they don't, and they have to hire somebody to stay at home. And that's where an adult daycare comes in. Okay, it's basically a facility where there's supervision, and these elderly adults can go and have different types of socialization and get care that they need during the day. All right, so first off, I want to talk about the three types of adult daycares. First of all, there's the social adult daycare, which is just your typical senior center, essentially. Basically, it's like where activities occur and socialization occurs, and there's some meals provided, and it's a good way. It's like a normal daycare for old people. But then you have your medical day center, which is where I work, and it's the same thing, but now you have on-site medical supervision, such as your on-site RN or BSN nurse. You have a CNA, which is a certified nursing assistant. You have physical therapy, occupational therapy. You'll have medical doctors, podiatry. You'll have all kinds of medical care, a medical care team, which will take and making sure that your loved one gets their medication on time. It's for the person who is disabled or has some sort of ailment that they need medical care during the day, okay? That's a medical day center. That's how that differentiates. And a lot of times it's really beneficial to a senior who may have these medical problems arise as they get older. Finally, you have the specialized adult daycare, which is basically, a facility specialized for things like dementia, things like Alzheimer's, or all kinds of ailments that they might come up with later on in life. They even have cancer ones, and different disabilities and whatnot. But they're all going to be kind of like branched under that medical day center. A medical day center can kind of take care of all of them. So what do you get? What kind of benefits do you get as a care provider from an adult daycare? Well, you get transportation. A lot of times we'll offer free transportation to and from your house according to your schedule, so that we can take your loved one. It's like a school bus. They come pick up your loved one, take them to the daycare. They spend all day here, have a great time, and then they're brought back home when you come back from work. Okay, if they need medication, they're given their medication on time according to their schedule, their doctor's orders. They have socialization, fun activities, arts and crafts, all kinds of exercise here, physical therapy, you name it. They have their meals, breakfast, lunch, and snack. They'll go out on field trips. That's the type of thing that your adult daycare will do. And this is so beneficial for the elder. I can't tell you enough. I've worked in adult daycares for well over a decade now with my parents who own their adult daycare. And it's to see these, these seniors come in and have their whole day positively turned up. It's an amazing feeling just to see that. And the alternative of sitting at home or taking a nap or watching a movie or reading a magazine or something by themselves is completely out of the question. You just can't let that happen when there's things like adult daycare. Now, payment. A lot of people talk about how much do they cost and what will this cost me? Well, a lot of times if your senior has medical assistant, which is Medicaid, the state will actually pay for them to attend an adult daycare, okay? Medicare has not covered the costs yet, or other private insurances. They do cover the physical therapy aspect, so if you want to go just for the physical therapy aspect, then that works. But if you think about it, most of them they can fit into a budget. They're a little bit more affordable than your typical nursing home or assisted living. So the benefit that they can come home every single day, and you can still spend time with them and not just send them off into some institution when they're still alive and have some activity, then definitely adult daycare is going to be the better option. Okay, so is it a good option for you? Well, you have to ask yourself, do you feel burnt out when you're taking care of your loved one by yourself, or overwhelmed? You have to ask yourself that, hey, do I need to go to work, and am I going to be worried when they're left at home alone? You got to ask yourself, do I see them being truly happy by themselves when they're at home or with their home, care provider? Probably not. And that's a good option for you to go out and seek an adult daycare, or at least go see what they're like. Okay. I know that we at our adult medical day center, we offer free tours and, visits all the time. So if you ever wanted to drop in, you're in the Baltimore County area, just feel free to message me and we'll set up a time. But a lot of times you can just give your local adult daycare a call and they'll be happy to accommodate you. Okay. All right. So anyway, guys, that's what an adult daycare is. And I'll be putting out more videos like this to explain what this type of senior care facility is. Because a lot of times, a lot of people know what an assisted living is, they know what a hospice care is, they know what a nursing home is, but they don't really know what adult daycare. So my job is I'm going to try to market that and tell everybody what that is. Okay. So this is Victor from Welcome Friends Adult Medical Day Center. If you found some value from this video, please click the like button below and subscribe for more videos that I'm going to be putting out. Okay, guys. Until next time, I'll see you then.